Hey guys, Chase Dowling here with Nick Ogilvy, the partners in Luxe Blades HTX, and we just wanted to come on here and talk about all the exciting things that we have going on for the 2025 season. We're just about a week into January, and already we're making huge strides into growing the company and bringing out some amazing products, and really just diversifying as you know, a whole.
Absolutely.
And so I brought Nick into town from Dallas today just to speak with you guys about the growth and what we got going on. So, I mean, it's just been an exciting year already.
It has. We've already got a couple installations under the way,
Yep.
right? And it's what, this is the first full week of January.
Yeah.
We've got our new glue in.
Yeah.
Turf brooms.
Yep.
We're getting ready to install 2 over 15-foot wide TVs on an island.
Yeah.
In a pool. And we're going to do this sometime at the end of January.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just crazy. And how we've done this is by diversifying our company,
Right.
and getting the best products in the market, getting the best glue, so that way the turf and everything is better. So we give our clients the best possible installation.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I think we've done a really good job of identifying problems in the turf industry and how we can solve them. You know, Nick and I pride ourselves on kind of being on the forefront of innovation and making sure that we're always helping to push the industry forward, not hold it back. And so what you see here on the table is just the first step in a long line of solutions that we're going to bring to the table this year. And last year was a really exciting year too, because you know, not only were we installing a lot of turf, but we were bringing products that, you know, you typically haven't seen on the market. Faux palm trees, lighted trees, mega LED screens for your backyards or for your commercial spaces. So, you know, we found that it was very important as a turf company to evolve with the market and bring together products that people haven't seen before. And it's been very fruitful for us. And I think, you know, one goal for us this year, outside of our operations here in Houston and installing turf, is going to be distribution of those products to other turf companies to help them out.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've taken, it's taken a little bit because there's a lot of crappy products out there. And
Yeah.
So we had to take the best products we could find that looked the most real, right, for the trees and stuff like that. The best TVs. We had to figure it out how to get the best quality for the best price, so everybody wins. So
Right.
the turf companies win and the customers win.
Yep.
And so I think we've really dialed it in and found that.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And it's not an easy feat to do either, to find, you know, good quality products at a fair price. I mean, especially in today's market, you know, any product out there is up 20-30%. And so, you know, the customers are feeling that right at the wallet. And, you know, the turf installers and other backyard accessory companies are feeling that too, because business is down. So identifying ways that we can bring other services and products to the market and provide them with a diversification of their services is really going to be a key component in our growth this year. But ultimately, at the end of the day, our goal always is to continue to innovate and find ways to make this industry better. And like you said, we're doing some really crazy stuff. I mean, we ended the year off with a 6,000 square foot project at a bar, completely transformed the space. You'll see a picture here in the video. I'll make sure I'll tag a picture here in the video. And then we're right off the rip this year. We're putting 2 screens on an island in the middle of a pool, 2 14.5-foot wide screens on an island. Stay tuned on how we figure out how to do that. But we're going to make it happen for our clients. And we ultimately, on that particular job, we saved that client over $100,000 on those screens to the next lowest quote. So, I mean, we really are out here moving the needle for our clients and really bending over backwards and moving heaven and earth to make sure that they're happy. And you know, at the same time, we're staying profitable with the company.
Exactly. And, you know, just to kind of reiterate that what we're doing is, like, this bag of glue here, Chase and I deal with, when we're on installs, a lot of glue going to waste.
Yep.
Because the installers leave the lids open on the buckets, the sun's coming in, hitting that, and now you've got this, you know, $100 gallon of glue that is now worthless.
Yep.
So we came up with this, and it's going to save us 15 to 20% of glue, of savings for us, that we can pass on to the customers, right? And now we're not wasting money on glue because it's here in this bag. that we can seal it back up, and it's good for 6 months.
Yep.
Obviously, we don't have glue that sits around for 6 months, but if
Yeah.
need be, it could stay here. But what's
Right.
also cool is we can leave one of these bags with the customer, right? Seal it up, say, here's some leftover glue for you, just in case you run in across anything, and they'll be very appreciative. Just little things like that go a long ways, because you're not doing just customer service, you're giving the customer experience.
Yep. No, absolutely. So we're really looking forward to 2025. We got a lot of really big things coming up, a lot more commercial partnerships with architects, engineers, builders, pool companies, so on and so forth. So we're really growing exponentially in that front, just to provide better services for our clients. So if you're out there watching this and you own a pool company or an outdoor company, or you're an architect or engineer or whatever, and you think that you could benefit from these products here, or the products that are on our website, the faux palm trees, the LED screens, the lighted trees, the turf, we have the best turf on the market, call us. Please don't hesitate to call us. We have commercial partnership programs where we can distribute these products to you wholesale, and get you a great price on them, so you can turn around and give them to your clients or sell them to your clients. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. We go much past just being a turf installer. We're also a distributor of products. So make sure you hit us up, luxebladeshtx.com. You can find access to any one of these products on there. And we look forward to hopefully having a good year and meeting a lot of you guys.
Have a good day.